Hi children, welcome back to your next mathematical section. In this video, we shall discuss about bar model. What do you mean by bar model? In maths, a bar model is a pictorial representation of a problem or concept where bars or boxes are used to represent the known and unknown quantities. Here in this section we will discuss about how to use bar model for solving addition and subtraction problems. Now there are different types of bar models. What we are going to use is named as part-whole model. Now this is the bar model which we are going to use to solve the problems. Here as I said, we can name this bar model as part-whole. Do you know what is mean by whole? W-H-O-L-E, whole. The word meaning of whole is full, complete. Now here, this is the whole part of the bar model we can say, and these are the two parts what we discussed. Okay, now let us see how to use this bar model to solve addition and subtraction problems. Just watch out this example. Here, in the parts, I have the numbers 20 and 30. So, these are the parts numbers 20 and 30. Now, I don't know what is the number, it will come in the whole part. So, to get this whole part, what I must do is, I must add these two numbers, what is there in the parts. So, I have 20 plus 30. What do you get if you add 20 plus 30? Yes, it is 50, right? So, in the whole part I have to write 50. Okay, now can you understand one thing? To get the number in the whole part, always we have to add the numbers in the parts. Correct? Whatever number it may be. Here it is 20 and 30. In any other case, to find the whole number in the whole part of a bar model, what we have to do? We have to add the numbers in the parts. Suppose I have the number given in the whole part and I have a number in one of the part and another part is missing. That is, the whole number I know and one part of the number I know, but I don't know what will come in this part. So here what you have to do, now you know, isn't it? It will be 30. How did you get 30? By subtracting. What from what? From 50 I have to subtract 20. That will be the number which comes over here, right? So 50 minus 20, my number will be 30. Correct? Again, one more example. Suppose I don't know this part number. What is this part number I don't know means how will I get? Yes, again from the total 50, that is from the whole number minus this part number. So 50 minus 30, I get 20. Correct? So you understood the relation between the numbers in the bar model. So now let us see few more examples using bar model. Now let us see how to use this bar model to find profit, loss, selling price and cost price. Here, imagine children, if it is profit, which one will be bigger? Yes, selling price, right? So here in this bar model, as I said, this is whole part and these are parts. So in the whole part, if it is profit, what will come in the whole part you think? Yes, the greater thing, isn't it? So in the profit case, the greater price will be for which one? Selling price. So in the whole part, what will come? Selling price will come. Am I correct? And in the parts, what are the things it will be? Yes, cost price and the profit, isn't it? We already discussed in the previous video. To get the selling price, when it is profit, we need to add the cost price and profit. So in the parts, we will have cost price and profit, and in the whole part, we will have selling price. This happens when it is profit. So this bar model is for profits case. Now the same way, can we make one more bar model? Yes, that is when it is loss. That is model B. Let us see that. When we get loss, what will be the greater value there? Yes, cost price will be the bigger value we know. So in the whole part, what it will come? It will be cost price, right? This happens in the case of loss. And in the parts, what are the things will come, do you think? Yes, it is selling price and loss. Am I correct, children? Yes, the selling price and loss together we will get the cost price. This is the bar model for loss. So we have two different models, model A, model B. Now, are you all clear with this, both the models? If you are clear with this, next it is easy to find selling price, cost price, profit, as well as here selling price, cost price and loss. Okay. Now here children, the cost price is given. My cost price is 200 and profit is 150. But I don't know what is my selling price. Selling price I have to find. So what I have to do? Yes, here I have to substitute the values. So what is my cost price? Cost price is 200. So in this part I can keep 200. And I have to substitute the value of profit. What is my profit? Rupees 150. Now I need to find my selling price. So selling price means I need to find the number in the whole part. So to find the whole part number, what did I say? I need to add these two. Correct? So what you can form here and as a formula? Yes. Selling price is equal to cost price, okay, plus profit. Correct, children? So to find the selling price, what is my equations? Cost price plus profit. This is already we have discussed in the previous video. So this formula, if you can't remember formulas using bar model, you can create the formula by yourself. Okay. Now, since if I add 200 plus 150, what will be my answer? Yes, my answer will be 350. That is, my selling price will be 350. Clear? Suppose if this is a case, now how to solve? Here my selling price is given. Okay, this is my selling price 350 and this is my cost price. Okay, now I need to find my profit. So this is selling price, this is cost price. I don't know what is my profit. Clear, children? So how will you get the profit? Imagine from this. Yes, from the total I need to minus one part. That is what we use in bar model. So here what is my total? It is selling price. So to find profit, that is P is equal to from the total, that is selling price minus, okay, one of the part. What is that one of the part? CP. Okay, so this is the equation to find the profit. This already we have learned, right? Yeah, P is equal to selling price minus cost price. That means here 350 minus 200. What do you get? Yeah, my answer will be 150. Clear? Then same way, how to find the cost price? Say again, see here, selling price is given. I don't know cost price, but I know profit. So to find cost price, what can be the formula? Yeah, cost price is equal to, yes, selling price minus profit. Okay, so again 350 minus 150. What do you get? You get the answer as 200. So using bar model, it is very easy to create the formula. You need not by heart the formulas by yourself. To find the cost price, to find the selling price, to find the profit, you need not by heart the formulas by yourself. You can, if you understand the bar model by yourself, you can create the formulas. Now this bar model is for loss, when it is loss. So that time I said cost price will be bigger and in the parts we will have selling price and loss. Now for example, my selling price is 200 and the loss amount is rupees 50. Now I need to find what is my cost price. So what should I do over here? Yeah, to get the whole number I need to add the parts. So what the formula you can create here? When it is loss, cost price is equal to selling price plus the loss amount. Okay, so we created the formula. When it is loss, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So here, if you add 200 plus 50, what do I get? 250. So this is my cost price. Clear, children? Okay, now let us see. Suppose the cost price is given and the selling price is given. I need to find what is my loss amount. Now this is my situation. Cost price is 250, selling price is 200. I don't know my loss amount. What I have to do? What is the formula I have to create over here? Yes, loss L is equal to, yes, from the cost price, right? Because it's a part number. So I have to subtract from the cost price. I need to subtract selling price. Clear? So that time I get my loss amount. What is it? 250 minus 200. So 250 minus 200, what will be my amount? It will be rupees 50. So my loss amount is rupees 50. Now suppose if this is the situation now, what to do? Cost price is given, selling price I don't know, but I know my loss amount. So what I have to do? I have to create the formula. What will be the formula to find the selling price in this case? Selling price is equal to, yes, cost price minus loss amount. Correct? Loss, cost price minus loss. So what is, it is 250 minus 50. What it will be? It will be 200. Clear? So using the relation between the numbers in the bar model, it is easy to create formulas to find selling price, cost price, profit and loss. Only you have to by heart, or you have to understand the different two types of bar model, when it is profit and when it is loss. Now according to the problems given, you can substitute the values in the parts and the whole, and you can solve the problems easily. Now let us see your homework questions. So these are your homework questions. First one, you have to find the selling price. Profit is given. Here also selling price you have to find, loss is given using the bar model. Same way. Here you have to find the cost price. Profit is given, and here it is cost price you have to find, loss amount is given. So if, as I said in bar model, if you know any two values, the third value you can find by creating the formulas for that. Okay, and this is from your content book. Try this. It is given in page number 32 and 33. You can work out that, try these problems. Refer your math content book for that. Thank you children. Meet you all in the next section.